Hey guys, my name is Allie, and here I am today to show you guys my slime collection and to tell you that I ordered like more than 30 squishies probably, and they're all just going to come throughout this week. And so I ordered them today, and I'm super like hyped for this. So go watch those videos too, and then hit that red subscribe button and then hit the bell whenever you know I post a video, because I'll post them off and on, but I know I'm going to be posting another one this week. So I'm just going to show you my slime collection today. And I made some slimes like earlier today, and I made videos about them, and I posted them, I think. I think those are yesterday. I'm not sure. And so this video might be super short, so let's get started. Now this one is like a bluish purplish slime. See, there, bluish purplish. It's really like fun to play with. I mean, I think I could play with that for like hours. So my next one isn't finished. It's so tiny though, and I think at some see, doesn't look like it's finished. Look, it's like putty. This one I made putty apparently. See, look, like I try to stretch it, and it like just rips. So this one's kind of like putty. I think it's because I added too much Tide. You can see some down there, and okay. So I think I made putty because it doesn't stick very well. Like I have to like smash it. And with my other slime, I just have to like tap it. Okay. I'll have the big one for last. And then this one is like, I don't know if I want to get it out. I'm not sure if it's like, I haven't played with this one in a long time. So I'm not sure if it's sticky or not. Okay, so here's like the cover. And here is like how it is when you play with it. I don't know if I want to take this one out because this one hasn't looked like it's been mixed very well, as you can tell right there. So I'll save the big one for last. So then there is this one. Look, there's air right here, but it's all up here. And then watch. I can take this one out. Like, this one's not sticky at all. I love this one. I'm pretty sure I made this one yesterday. So here it is. I love making bubbles with it. Like, I love just doing this and like making it big. Okay, so there's that. I like to flip it over and make it do that. Oh, fudge. Oh, fudge. There we go. That's better. Okay. And next two is these two white ones. I made these two today, not on video or anything, just in like real life. So I think I made this one in real life and this one without. So I'll get one of them out, but no, they don't. Okay. So here is this one. This one's not too stretchy. It sort of sticks together. I mean, see, just not some of it. Okay. Okay. So then there's this one, which it sticks together pretty good. But I mean, and that's my brother back there. So.
No one likes you.
Okay. Okay, so I'll just set, oh, frick. I'll just set these on the side. Okay, now it's the big one. Okay, I might get this, well, here it is. It's basically the same color as my other one. just well, I took some out. It used to be bigger. Like this used to be like a gallon, but I took some out to make that the other two, their color that they are right now, because I just love this color and I wanted more because I might throw this one away at some point because I've had it for a long time. Like I've had this one for a while. I'll just get another gallon of glue and make the same one using the same colors that I made. So, can you get out? So, yeah. So that's my slime collection, and make sure that like you guys hit that bell down below next to the subscribe button, because then you'll be able to see when I post my next video, which will be off and on each week. So that's like, yeah. So it's going to be off and on, and my squishies are supposed to come like every, like my mom said that they're supposed to come like every other day. Like they'll come separately, like not all in a one package. So I'm pretty excited for that. So go watch that, and don't forget to click that red subscribe button and watch my next videos. Thanks. Bye.